In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hamburger menu on Wix. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to head to your dashboard over here. Once there, just make sure you're at home, then click on Edit Site. This will lead you to the Wix website editor. Now, if we check my web page right here, we can see that on its interface, there are currently no hamburger menus available. So we're going to go ahead and add one by looking for the add apps right here on the left side of the screen. Just give that a click. And we're going to look for the app called Impressive Site Menu. So over there, just go ahead and click that. Add that to site. Click on Agree and Add. And as you can see on the top right of the screen, there is now a hamburger menu. So we're just going to go ahead and edit that. Just make sure the entire icon is selected. Then go ahead and click on Settings. And as you can see right here, there are a bunch of stuff you can tinker with. So we have Main, Layouts, Settings, and Design. So in here, you can choose the layout of which your hamburger menu would appear. So maybe I'll try the corner slide. You can also change the menu icon here by adding an animation. And we're going to move on to settings right here. So in general, you can change the app's visibility, the position, some size changes over here, and some sub-menu parent icons and its alignment. You can also change the icon here, its width, height, and positioning. As for design, there are some more good stuff here. If you want to change the color of the background, the page background, the sub-page, dividers, close button, scroll bar, and some other stuff. So there's also some text settings right here. If you want to change the font color, all of that good stuff. Once you're satisfied with those changes, just go ahead and close that. And we're going to go ahead and click on Save. And make sure to click on Publish Now so that these changes will reflect live on your web page. So now that we've done that, we're just going to check how it looks like. The hamburger menu should appear right here. And as you can see, it is now interactive. And that's about it. That's how you add a hamburger menu on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.